If you want to upgrade your laptop, your PC or your mobile or your tech gadget like a watch, buds, all kind of techie stuff, you want to upgrade all those, you have to, you all see some reviews, some unboxings and all kind of thing which you do in YouTube, all kind of stuff. So those all kind of those are made by me. I'm just doing some tech videos, reviews, tutorials, some tips and videos, all unboxings, all kind of techie stuff. If you're new here, you can just watch all my videos here in the playlist, and you can see my uploads, you can see the popular, all kind of thing, so that I'm very much happy to help you all in upgrading your all kind of stuff. And you can also note it down that I have some very minimal videos still yet. I'm just a beginner YouTuber, so I'm just starting out. So it will be like a support to me if you just subscribe and motivate me. So catch you up there in all my videos. Stay tuned, subscribe, and also follow me in the social media platforms and handles like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. See you in all my videos. Bye bye.